audio mode button on your Hyundai allows you to easily switch between audio sources. This lets you change sources without removing your hands from the steering wheel or taking your eyes off the road. The audio mode button is especially helpful when you're using the map feature on Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or the available onboard navigation, and want to change audio sources without moving away from the map screen. The first time you use the mode button, you'll be able to set the different sources it changes between. You can select each source you'll want to rotate through. Once the sources are set up, pressing the button will change to the next source on the list. Keep pressing the button to return back to the original audio. You can still use the audio selection buttons on the steering wheel, even when the audio source isn't being displayed on the touchscreen. And remember that each audio source on your Hyundai has its own volume setting, so you may need to turn the volume up or down as you change audio sources. Finally, should you ever want to add or remove an audio source from the audio mode button list, press and hold the button to return to the source selection menu. For more information on these and other features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at myhyundai.com, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to explore the how-to guides at the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.